Hello everyone, it's the property couple back here again. We're using a little bit of a new device today, so hopefully this is a nice and smooth shot, but also it might be a little bit wobbly. Good morning.
You alright? No, it's actually good afternoon, isn't it?
Yeah, it's actually afternoon, but feels like this is the first thing we're doing today.
Yeah, so we are going to go and give you guys a little update, a little property update. We actually haven't seen it for a few weeks now. All of our updates have been over WhatsApp. We haven't been to see the update on the property that many times. I think
well, you haven't been, I've been quite a few times, but...
This is the third time I've ever walked into this property.
Here we go, to the palace. One thing we didn't ever do, was get a picture together outside this property.
My name's AK and welcome to my crib.
Okay, the last time I was here at this property, it was Boxing Day, the day after Christmas. Wow, it smells like paint.
Let's just probably go. Oh, we got power.
We got power.
We got power.
Yay.
So this will be the first bedroom. This will be bedroom number 1.
Yeah.
Wow, it's amazing. No, but what it was, like from what it was. Like,
yeah.
So this is going to be the ensuite.
Yeah, that's looking really good. I thought it'd be a little bit further along, but that's okay.
I did too, but I think things will really pick up now.
Yeah.
It's going to be a cosy little room, this.
Yeah. You got anything else to say? Words just aren't your forte, are they?
You know what I'm thinking?
Go on.
I'm just trying to remember how it was before, and I'm like, wow, like the ensuite takes up so much of the room.
Yeah, I was thinking that when I walked in.
Fireplace here. There used to be a little fireplace there.
Yeah, and bear in mind that this is one of the bigger rooms.
Yeah.
It's actually like, once you've got the ensuite in, that takes up a massive chunk of it.
Yeah, it does. Because where's the bed going to go?
Well, on the floor plan it was here.
Can't be there, because you don't want to block the door. Maybe it's along here?
Oh yeah.
No.
No, it can't be, so the radiator's there.
Oh, no,
I don't know where the bed's going in here.
Follow me.
Following.
Oh, see the lights came on auto then.
Oh yeah, that's HMO regulations, have auto lights like that.
There needs to be a fireplace there, so that's been all covered.
Yeah.
All the fireproof. Look, it's had all the plaster on, so they've got it far. Come on, stay on, mate. They go off really quick.
Yeah, it's good.
This will be from the main entrance, and all we just come in is like personally for that person.
Personally for that person.
Personally for that person.
Okay, the auto light thing is too quick.
Killing it.
That would kill someone if they were just like, okay,
Oh,
wow.
It's looking cool.
This looks really good. You wouldn't believe how many people told me to keep the oven, and to be honest with you guys, huge regrets that I didn't sell it for a bit of cash, because so many people were like, you could sell that for loads of money.
It's fantastic. Do you know how expensive these are? You need to sell it.
Mum, are you joking?
No, these cost thousands.
Wow.
Look at this tank.
This is going to be huge. Let's have a look. Oh, wow.
For
Well, you got to, 4 people need to shower and use hot water, so
yeah.
that's good. Nice. Anything done to the garden yet?
No.
That'll be at the end, won't it?
Yeah, I wouldn't look out there.
Okay. Is it a bit of a tip?
Yeah, I mean you can, but it looks a bit.
Oh gosh, yeah. Still no one's been in the shed, I don't think. Okay, the bed in the other room is going there. Because me and you were like, where is it going? It's going there.
Okay. Right by the oh, it didn't look like it could fit there.
It didn't, did it?
No.
Let me just have another look. Because the wall's not flat.
Yeah, that's what I was getting confused.
That's why I was confused why the bed would go there. It can't be a single bed.
Maybe it's just bigger, a little bit bigger than a single then. Is it going to fit in there, like a 3/4?
Is that enough? They will have made sure that's enough room for a 3/4, but it's small, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's for a single occupant. So.
Yeah, I know. And we only can take up so much space, can't we?
Yeah.
We're just like... Alright, well yeah, let's go and have a look at the rooms upstairs. I quite like that the doors are black.
Yeah, me too.
It means that if anyone scuffs them, they can be easily painted again.
Exactly.
Right, so they've built this little bit here in for the staircase. Obviously this was never here before.
Yeah. All that's got the fireproofing.
This has got fireproofing in, yeah. Okay, I'm going to lift up my dress here to get up the stairs, just because the last time I came here I got really dusty. Right, oh wow, this room's really big. This one's good.
I really like this room. This is my favourite room.
Really?
Yeah, because it's just a
bigger. room
bigger.
was at the back of the house.
No, I like this one. This one's much bigger.
This one's good. This is a good size. Nice big room. And the ensuite here. Oh yeah, decent size. So far the radiator's in. So just for reference, we are here now. It is end of Feb, and tenants are meant to be moving in at the end of March. So not very long to get it all finished, get it completely furnished, staged and ready for viewings. I think the pressure is on, but I think our team have got what it takes. This is going to be a feature wall. Obviously this is not the feature. I don't know why I found that funny, but that's what it looks like currently. I don't know if you want to see her.
Let's go through.
Come with me.
All the look, plugged in, hardwired smoke detectors. I don't know why.
But the auto lights are killing me. Right.
Right, this one's got the door on.
Yeah, that's got a door on. This one's looking.
To be fair, that's going to be a feature wall there.
Yeah, it is. And then
This is a nice room.
yeah, I like this room too. And then this wall backs on. The light's not coming on in here. That's okay. And then this is the ensuite.
How come this one's got kind of like two areas to the ensuite?
Because remember the wardrobe that used to be in there?
Ah.
The wardrobe of the old room.
Yeah, yeah, it is. You're right. They've made a door through there.
So the door is going to be like. I have to look at the floor plan here, but I think that's the shower. Wait, because that's where the towel rail is, and this is the loo.
Toilet, yeah.
Yeah, this is the toilet. I prefer the word loo. The last bedroom, which I actually don't think this is the one I thought was going to be tiny. I actually prefer this.
Oh, nice spots.
Oh yeah. Whereas the other ones, did they?
This
all
is
have
the only one that has
spots?
spots. For some reason, that is weird.
Is it because this room doesn't have as much natural light?
Yeah,
coming in, whereas they've got
probably.
a big window there.
Probably.
Big window there. This one hasn't.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Let's see.
This is a small room, and then you've got quite a big, gonna be ensuite.
Yeah.
Shower will probably go there.
You've still got the old toilet there.
It's hard to really see in there.
I thought this room was going to end up feeling tiny, but if you stand out there, like I actually think this is okay. What I really like is that all the plugs have the USB plug socket as well as the, you know, like normal plugs.
Yeah.
Well, not all of them actually. I think just the ones by the bed. I do think the auto lights are good, but at the same time they go off really quickly. I wonder if you can change that setting. Do you see what I mean in terms of how quickly they go off? I was just standing still. Hopefully the kitchen, I love the spotlights in the kitchen. Super modern. We didn't choose to change that door, but now that I look at it, I'm like, maybe we should change that. I know it's not the be all and end all. Actually, they could just paint it, couldn't they? Could they paint that and just make it look a little bit more shiny? Because it's, I mean, it's kind of already been a bit like destroyed through the refurb. Or maybe they are going to change it. I don't remember ever seeing that door change in the building quote though. This is the front door. And I'm just going to go back to that small bedroom because I can't quite believe how are we going to fit a bed in here. Maybe there'll be space behind the bed. I don't know. Was the wall always like that? I'm going to have to go back through old video and see if the wall was always like this or if it was like one.
So I think all in all, it's coming on. It's mad to see, isn't it?
I feel like it has taken ages, but at the same time, we've had COVID. Someone in our build team caught COVID, so the guys had a bit of time off and kind of the site had to be like completely closed down.
One other thing we forgot to mention actually is that we've gone from a single bathroom downstairs to 4 individual en-suites in every single room. And the reason we've done this is because we feel like the rooms will be more rentable, and also with things that are going on with COVID, it just seemed like the better thing to do. However, this obviously has delayed us a little bit. The reason for this is obviously we had to then redraw the plans and then go through certain procedures with building control, for example, that have just delayed us a little bit. But I think in the long term, it's definitely going to be worth it.
Me too. But overall, I'm pleased with how it's looking. I'm just glad that we get our video updates weekly from our builders.
Hey guys, it's now early March, and I just thought I'd send you another update that I got from the builder, which is really exciting. Got the carpet in, the bathrooms are in. So yeah, have a look around this. I'll just chop up a few clips to show you.
Okay, just ready for handover now. As you can see, just getting rid of all the surplus materials. That has literally just been finished painted, so you can see it looks a bit patchy. Don't be alarmed. come through. We've got the feature wall done there. This is the ground floor front room. You see, shower's all working, operational. We've got the vinyl down. All the digi-locks on. Coming through up the stairs. Handrails on. The furniture will be arriving shortly. There, again, all done. Feature walls, all on. Digi-locks. And we're obviously going to screw that back. But this is the middle upstairs ensuite bathroom. Up there, on the drawing that shows over there, but obviously the space for the wardrobes, we just swapped it around obviously because there's a socket there. But here, you see there's no screen. That was delivered yesterday, and unfortunately it was delivered damaged, so they've taken that away. So that is the only thing that's not completed, but obviously will be. And next day or two they'll be dropping that off. Just to point out as well, let it go, we've changed that for a fire escape window. Also, you can see vinyl, toilet, everything's in, and a feature wall in this bedroom. Also, sorry, as you can see, this is a new window as well. Again, to comply with building regs, we've got a fire escape window up here. Everything is completed, and we're just going to tidy up and get rid of all the odds and sods, but this is ready to hand over, to go through for the walkthrough to do any snags.
Happy days.
Happy days. We hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed our little update on this property, and we'll be sure to sorry, did you see my dad?
Yeah, I was like, where's he going?
I think he's going to the other front door. We'll be sure to give you more updates as and when this one is completely done. We've actually paid for like a sort of professional video of it to be made, in terms of, you know, like nice shots for prospective tenants to see. So I'll try and insert some of that in the next update of this house, and we'll see you all very soon. Bye. Oh, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Property Couple UK.